Hi, I'm Gav and I'm from Sweet Design, and this week is a video of me restoring these sets of drawers. Well, chest of drawers should I say. I got them from my next door neighbour. Don't know if he'd had them in shed or in a garage, but they were pretty in bad condition. But I don't know what it was, but there was just something, and something just says, yeah, these can be done up. So I started to take handles off, which this first one had like a little door catch which held the handle on, and it was like a felting nail which held the handle on, which I thought were rather funny. And that was first handle. Pretty messy inside. Got to the second drawer, and this one had a plasterboard fixing. But the rest of them on the bigger drawers were all solidly glued in, so we just cut them all off. Because I had an idea for some new handles. Had some big cracks in the wood, but I still saw potential in them. Yeah, I could quite easily burn them or broke them up, but I don't know. There was just something about them which, yeah, it looked badly bruised, damaged, scraped, and all that, but they still had potential. So these all had locks in. So I removed all the locks because obviously I didn't have a key for them. So I removed all them and filled them all with bits of wood and all that, and filled keyholes up. And that's what I'm doing here, just taking all the locks out. Then it had a trim across the top and round the bottom end of the drawers, which I don't know, it was just something I wanted to remove. I didn't know if I was going to refit it or keep it off. I just wanted to remove them so when I sanded and filled it, because obviously with a lot of cracks and holes and stuff, so it definitely needed filling. So I just took all the edging off to see what it's like, so it can be filled a lot easier. This part didn't want to come off at first, it was a bit stubborn. And this is time for some filler, so I mix some 2-pack like car body filler and started filling all edging. This is obviously where it trim one, just to fill holes, get it even level. There's a bit of tape there at front because the front part cracked, so it needed gluing. But I missed that off the filming, so I apologise for that. But I just filled the gap with glue and then just taped it back, trying to tape it back shut and go along and fill it, which it did need a lot of filling. There you go. I think a little bit of back piece here, so it was cracking as well, so a massive crack in it, so I've just put some glue down there, run some glue. Top time for the top, which the top one, it needed a lot of filler, but I mean, yeah, I could have filled it with like a wood coloured filler, but I don't know. I wanted to show off its scars, it's lived its life, So I filled it with like a white filler, to like a whitey off creamy colour. The top, but I ain't doing nothing about that because I think that adds to the character of it. Like this, it's been used and it's been abused. Certainly has. Scratches everywhere. But yeah, I think it adds to character as a bowling.